Age matters kung wala ka pang napapatunayan. Real talkin natin yan. Ano, game? Tara, let's start. Let's be real. Kahit anong sabi mo na age doesn't matter, nagmamahalan kami and all that shit, it doesn't mean a thing if you both are broke. Kasi walang maturity dyan. Lahat lang yan, delusions. Pag wala ka pang napapatunayan sa buhay, age difference means power difference. Kaya ayusin mo muna sarili mo bago ka magsabing age doesn't matter. Ganto, kung 20 plus ka pa lang tapos gusto mo ng 30 plus or above na partner kasi sabi mo mature, careful ka. Baka hindi maturity makuha mo. Baka makontrol ka. Kasi ang maturity minsan, front lang ng mga gusto ng easy prey. Kaya, learn how to spot if they're genuine or just manipulative. Kasi isipin mo, kung hindi ka pa stable, mas madali kang mapaikot ng taong may advantage. By advantage, I mean, mapapera man yan, experience, connection, or emotional control. Kasi magkaka-power imbalance yan, hindi love story. So make sure you build your own power before you put yourself in that dynamic. Kasi pag established ka na, iba na yung usapan. Mapamatanda man yan o bata, pantay na kayo lumaban. Dito pumapasok yung age doesn't matter. Kapag kaya mo nang gawin, lahat ng kayang gawin nila. Age just becomes a number, not a leverage. When you have your own, you choose love, not survival. Ang problema, maraming gusto ng older kasi gusto ng shortcut. Pero tandaan mo, kung shortcut ang simula, madalas may strings attached. Walang libre sa mundong to. Laging may kapalit. It's either emotional or moral. So earn your comfort para walang may utang na loob sa love mo. Real talk, age gap relationships can work kung parehong may respeto at may sariling paa. Hindi sa edad na susukat ang love, kundi sa level with quality. Don't date up or down. Date equal. Kung hindi mo pa kaya ang lifestyle niya, wag mong i-pressure ang sarili mong makisabay. Kasi love shouldn't make you broke trying to impress. Kasi wala nang mas masakit pa sa utang na loob disguised as affection. Ito dapat yung motto mo. Build, then blend. Hindi beg, then bend. Pag may sarili ka ng table, hindi mo kailangan makiusap sa upuan ng iba. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng established. Stability equals self-respect. Huwag mong habulin yung level ng iba. Mag-level up ka. Hindi ka pa naman late. Hindi ka rin kulang. Baka hindi lang to yung season mo para makipagparehas. Remember, timing is everything. Kapag ready ka, age gap won't scare you. Ibig sabihin nun, huwag kang magmadali, pero huwag ka ring tamaring magtaguyod. So oo, age matters until you matter. Pag meron ka ng sariling paa na natatayuan, dun, mapa-older man yan, mapa-younger, meron ka ng equal partner. Dapat maintindihan mo that power balance creates peace in a relationship. I-build mo yung sarili mo para walang makasabi na I made you. So, age gap love? Pwede. Pero make sure na age lang yung gap. Hindi sa values, respeto, at finances. Kasi kung pareho kayong may laban, that's not age difference. That's alignment. Diba? Peace out.